Yeah. So everyone able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So thank you for joining. And just before start the class, right? Who are joined from today class? New Venkatnarayan, Venkatramana, Venkatesh. Both are joined today, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we can start our class. Okay. Thank you for joining, everyone. Okay. So I think everyone will be aware, right? Like I will give from the performance testing training. So in the testing, we have the like manual testing, automation testing, except the performance testing also one of the thing. So manual testing, nothing but as a manual tester, like once software development is completed, he will check from the manually, he will check from the each and every field. Like he will enter from the username and password, and it is going to the next page or not, he will check. So that will be do from the manual tester. Not only fields along with the like alignment and everything, he will check. So means manually it will do from the all the like application is working fine or not, alignment is correct or not, spellings are correct or not, really it is going to the next page or not. As same to the, he will check from the like positive way and negative way also he will check. So means entirely it is manually they need to do. But automation testing also one of the second stage. So what will happen nowadays? Manual testers are very less. Why? Because automation testing is came like Selenium with Java, Selenium, Water, .NET. So what will happen? One person is doing from the 10 persons manual testing. So for example, 10 numbers manual testers doing that work, one automation tester only it is doing. Then what will happen? That is why manual testers are very less in the market now. And market also not good from the manual testers. Okay. So means it is a automation. Everything is automation is going. So 10 persons work, only one person is doing. Then company will be expecting that only, right? Because they don't want from the more expenses, like more resources, no need means they not to, they no need to pay from the money also. So that is why everyone is moving to the automation testing. So automation testing means it is a entire code level things. So everyone should know from the Java and C, C++. So if you know from these languages, you can go to the like Selenium automation testing. It is a good thing. But we don't have from the like programming language knowledge. Okay. Okay. I am poor at programming, but I will be there in IT. So at the situation, we have the performance testing is a one of the key thing in the software industry. So means this is also one of the automation only performance testing, but we are not used from the any code. It is a zero code based on from the our replay playback recording. So these things will it will involve in the performance testing. Okay, means performance testing means we need check from the application performance how it is behavior is going. For example, Facebook application will be there. Everyone will be know, right? Facebook. So Facebook application, what will happen? Day to day users are increasing. What will happen? Maybe as a Facebook application, they are not tested performance testing. What will happen means their user count will be increasing. One day their application will be cross. Means their application will be gone. So why? Because they not expected this many load it will come from the after 1 month, 2 month. They don't know as simple they not done the performance testing. Because of that, what will happen? Their application will be crash. As same to the everyone will be very well know. We are getting from the offers in the festival season and what are the like occasions will be there, right? Amazon, Flipkart, and this all e-commerce applications they are giving from the offers. So without doing performance testing, they will directly coming to the offers. Then what will happen? At that time, they are giving from the 1 rupee product. What will happen? Every user will be access that application. Then what will happen? Their application will be cross because they are expecting only 50,000, but it is attacked from the 2 lakh users. Then what will happen? Their application might be cross. So means that is why what will happen before coming to the offers. So not only e-commerce application, any application, before going to the live to the application, must be do the performance testing. Without performance testing, application not going to the live. Live nothing but as a user we are using, right? That is the live. So means that is the important of the performance testing. So means without performance testing, okay, for example, what happened? One application developer is developed, manual tester tested, and automation and everything is completed. But they are not done the performance testing. Then what will happen means that application is never go to the live. Means as a user, it will not use because performance testing also very important. So you need to give from the sign off. Okay, performance point of view also your application is fine. Then you can proceed from the application in the live. Then only that application is going to the live. So this is the importance of the performance testing. So who can learn performance testing means? So just you have the knowledge about from the no need from the any programming language. So zero coding also no problem because this is the entire tool based of testing. Means we have the tools will be there like load runner, Neoload. You are seeing right in the my screen. Load runner, Neoload, JMeter. These all will be tools in the market. Using these tools, we can do from the our performance testing. Means you are just we have the using the tool, just you can record the business flow nothing but what is the application. So it is a Facebook or whatever maybe that application we can record. After record what we can do means we can execute with the multiple user point of view. Why? Because we are doing from the performance testing. What is the performance testing? Main thing means we need to test the application behavior under various load condition, like number of user will be accessing from their application at that time, how their application behavior is going. So that is why we need test with the multiple users. Okay, so this is the just I'm giving from the briefly about from the performance testing. Okay, so now I'm starting from the in the performance testing. We have the different tools in the market. One is the load runner, and one is the Neoload, and JMeter, and LoadGen, and Soasta. So load runner nothing but it's one of the tool of the performance testing. So Neoload, JMeter, LoadGen, Soasta. But we have the multiple tools in the market. But which tool is very important to for us to learn the course, and after I want to get the job, and if maybe after 5 years, after 10 years also, my career stability is like which tool is better? If anyone asks me, so we have the load runner is one of the important tool in the market as a performance testing point of view. Why? Because so load runner is the one of the important tool. Like every company, maximum all MNC companies, they are using from the load runner only. 99% is using from the load runner only. Why? Because it is a license based tool. So all MNC companies, they will accept only license based tool because they need from their secured their data, test data, or their application, everything will be some secure. Means all MNC companies, all clients also, all license based tool only they will accept. So that is why this tool is a very important. It's a license based tool, means company will be buy the license. Okay, and same to the we have the JMeter is there. This is the open source tool. So we have the open source tool. Why we are doing from the like load runner only license based tool means? So what will happen means one project is came for us. Okay. Like any one of the e-commerce application or Amazon is they are giving from the project to for us. Then they are given as a some 3.4 millions from the performance testing point of view. $3 million they are given from the performance testing point of view. Then what will happen means you are buy the load runner license and resources. This all will be 2 millions happen. Okay. And again, you need to ask from the like client. Okay, we are using from the load runner license tool. We need from the more budget. Maybe they will increase from the up to 6 millions also. They will increase from the project cost. But you told as a okay, we are using from the open source tool. Means anyone can we download it. Anyone can free tool. Means anyone can use this tool, free tool. You told as a client, we are using from the JMeter. It is an open source tool. Please give from the 6 millions from the project cost. Then client will give or not? Because it's an open source tool, means it's a free. Then I asked as a 6 millions from the this project cost. Then client will give or not? Everyone able to hear? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I'm asking question. So everyone able to hear or not? Please give me answer, anyone. Okay. See, actually what will happen means client is a okay. I told as a JMeter I am using. It is a free of cost, but I need budget 6 millions. They will give. Client will give from that much of budget from the performance testing. No, right? Why? Because client will be asked, okay, it is a free tool, means no need to buy the license, anything. So means you are giving from the free tool, means it's like in outside also market, number of peoples also is available. So they will come with the very less salaries also they will come. So we will give from the only 1 million. Then what will happen? Company will be losing from the 6 millions to 1 million means 5 millions will be lost. Why? Because it is a free tool. So then you can do from the within 1 million, you can complete from the project. So that is the why reason all maximum MNCs level 5 companies never accept from the without license open source tool, they will not accept. Only license based tool only they will accept, because company will be get the benefit. Okay. And everyone all should be benefit from the when they are using from the license based tool. Based on that, okay, oh, this project is success, then one more project it will came. Okay, because they are done from the using the load runner, it is a good tool. It is a they are buying the expenses tool, and they are giving from the results will be good, and our data also very secure. So they will be give from the other projects also they will give. Otherwise, they are given from the 1 million and we are done from the project. They are thinking about that, oh, this is the open source tool. We are not sure our data is secured or not. So that is why it's a load runner is a, one of the important tool. Along with the load runner and JMeter, we have one more tool, Neoload. That is the one of the tool. Neoload nothing but it's a Neotus. It is introduced. That is also one of the performance tool. But mostly in market using from the these two tool only, load runner and JMeter. So, but is the JMeter open source tool you told, but why companies using means very small companies will be there. What will happen means they don't have from the much budget to buy the license. Client also not giving from the much budget. Then what will happen? But they should complete from the performance testing also, because they got from the one project means they need to complete from the end to end. Performance testing also they should be complete. So what will happen? small companies, okay, through JMeter, we can do from the our perform testing because open source tool, 1 or 2 resource, we can complete our course and will give from the sign up to the project. So that is why very small companies, level 1, level 2 companies, they are using from the JMeter also nowadays. So that is why if you know from the load runner and JMeter, every tool will be similar. Means no need to learn from the all the tools, Neoload, LoadGen, Soasta, JMeter, no need. So if you are very good in load runner, every tool will be similar only. But what is the difference? Nothing but just terminology will be different. See, just you can, these all will be tools from the performance testing only, but terminology will be different. Load runner, Neoload, JMeter, LoadGen, Soasta. Means same way when we are doing from the work with the other tool to tool, just terminal will be different, but work will be same. Okay. So like in our training, I will give from the load runner and JMeter. Two tools I will provide from the training. Okay. So first we'll start with the load runner. Once load runner is completed, we can move to the JMeter and we'll complete from the JMeter also. Okay. So going to the start with the load runner. Load runner is one of the performance tools in the market. So we have the 5 components in load runner. What are there means virtual user generator, controller, agent process, load generator, and analyzer. So means using these 5 components only we can do from the performance testing. In the load runner also, we have the 5 components. So means each component, what is the use of that means first is the virtual user generator. What is the virtual user generator means we can record the business flow and generate from the script statement purpose we can use from the virtual user generator. Means one business flow will be there. So business flow nothing but any application, just now I told right Facebook. So for example, Facebook is our project. So Facebook, what things we can do? We can launch the URL. After launch, what we can do? Login and upload video and download video and charting. Okay. Example, logout. So this is the business flow of the Facebook application. So means every application will be some business flow will be there. So I want to record these steps. I want to record like launch, after that login, after that upload video, after download video, charting, logout. So this is called as a business flow of the application. For example, this is the Facebook. So that is why this is the business flow. Maybe we can assume some other application. Amazon, example, Amazon application. So Amazon application also what we can do? Every application should be, this should be common from every application. Launch, login. And after that, what you can do? Anyone can explain steps? What you know, you can just explain. Hello?
Item and can include in our cart.
Yes. So for example, we are select the product. Select product. So after select the product, what you can do? Add to cart. And after that, what we can do? Payment. And payment is done. Your product is everything is complete. Then what will happen? Logout. So this is the business flow of the Amazon. So means any one of the application steps we can consider as a business flow. So this business flow we can record, means where we can record means using from the virtual user generator we can record. After record the business flow, it will be generated from the script statements. So Which purpose we can use virtual user generator means we can record the business flow and generate the script statement purpose we are using from the virtual user generator. Next one is the controller. So once this script is recorded and script statement generated, and actually what is performance testing? We can execute with the multiple users. That is the main cause. So once you are developed from the one script in the virtual user generator, that script you can push into the controller. Means you need to push to the controller and you can execute with the multiple users like 1,000 or 1 lakh, 2 lakh, whatever maybe. So means just controller nothing but we can design the scenario like how many users we want to execute, and after that you execution will be we are doing. You can design the scenario and execute with the multiple user point of view we are using from the controller. So once controller is completed with the 1,000 users, multiple users, execution is completed, then next what will happen means one more component is the analyzer. What is the analyzer? Nothing but we can analyze the results to find out the issues, or we can call it as a bottlenecks. So for example, this application, what will happen? Your script developed and we are executed 1,000 users. Then execution also completed where we are done execution in the controller, because controller nothing but we can design the scenario, execute with the multiple user point of view we are using from the controller. So analyzer, one more component I told as a analyzer. Analyze means you should analyze the results, means you should be analyze the results. Okay, what will happen means launch URL 1,000 users, average response time it is happen from the 1.2 second, and login is it is happen from the 1.8 second, and upload video it is happen from the 1.9 second. Yeah, hello. So this download video is there 2.2 second happen, and charting it is happen from the 1.0 second, and logout it is happen from the 1.3 second. This is the average time of the users. 1,000 users average response time, how much it is happen? 1.2 seconds. So analyzer nothing but we should analyze like 1,000 users. What is the average response time of the 1,000 users? What is the average response time of the login? So and upload video and download video and charting and logout. So this is the business flow you are recorded. That business flow you are executed with the 1,000 users, and this is the response time you are observed from the like launch is taken from the this much time, where you are observed means in the analyzer one more component there you are observed this. Okay, actually we have the SLA one field will be there, that is the 2 second from the client is given as a 2 second. So analyzer what you need to analyze means any one of the step it is a more than 2 second or not you need to observe. So any one of the transaction it is a more than 2 second.
No.
Yes, right. So this
Yes.
download video is a more than 2.2 second. Client is how much is given actually? Client is given 2 second only.
2 second.
1,000 users average response time, each and every step should be within 2 seconds need to happen. But you are done the execution and you are analyzing the results, you are observe that 2.2 second. But client will accept your results?
No.
No, right? So
No.
means no, because actually they are expecting 2.2, but one step like download video step it is taking from the 2.2 second. Then our job will be start. again our job will be start. So maybe it is a 1.2. Then what will happen?
Yeah, they are accepting this. That's
Yes, they are accepted from the results. Why? Because everything is within SLA 2 seconds. Our results will be good. Then just you need to send this report to the client. Okay, we are executed 1,000 users. Below are the results, and each and every step will be as per our SLA. Then your job will be done. Maybe this is the 2.2 happen. Then we need to start our work. Why this download video 2.2 second happen? What cause of the issue? What is the bottleneck? In our performance testing terminology, we can call it as a bottleneck. Means issue. Why this 2.2 second happen? So we need check from the some parameters. Maybe CPU and memory not sufficient. For example, what will happen? Your execution doing from the 1,000 users, your CPU memory is crossed from the 100%. Means you don't have from the space in the CPU memory. So you can observe in our mobile also sometimes what will happen? There is no space clear from the some trash files you are getting. Why? Because there is no space. So what will happen if you open anything from your application? What will happen? It will be browsing. It is happen. Means it is taking from the high time. So means this is also one of the reason your transaction response time. We can call it as each and every step transaction response time. We can call it as a launch is the one transaction. Login each and every step. We can call it as a transaction. We can call it as a time taken from this one. We can call it as a response time. So each and every transaction response time could be very high. Why? Because CPU memory is not sufficient from the application. Obviously, your step timeout will be more than SLA. It is scale. So you need to check from the CPU memory is 100% or not. You need to check. That is the one reason. Second one, application issue. Even application side also issue. Like what will happen means you are open from their application manually. When you are trying to do from the manually also downloading from the video 100 KB size, then what will happen means it is a manual itself. You are observe that more than 2 seconds, more than 2 seconds. Means what happen? So application itself it is taking time will be more. Because of that, here also it is came. So then we need to intimate to the development team. Okay, in manual also we are observe it is taking from the high time. Please check from the your code level things. So here it is a response time could high means we are not resolve anything. So CPU memory you observe that more than 100%. Then we have the EMS teams will be there like supporting teams. Okay, IT help desk teams will be there. We need to inform to them we are executed 1,000 users. CPU memory is currently is a 4 GB, but it is crossing more than 100%. Could you please increase from the CPU memory? Means if any issue you face, you are not resolved. Just you need to give from the what is that issue and particular team you need to send from the mail. Then they will resolve it. And after that, again, you need to do from the again 1,000 users again test. And after you resolve this, then obviously your response time could be decrease. So 1.2 seconds. Got it? So like I will record one scenario from today class. I will show you from the everyone. Okay. So just using from the virtual user generator, we can record the one business flow. So I will show the application also, which application we need to record also using from our virtual user generator. So we have the one application will be there. So this is the pet store application. Means we want to book the any pet. So I want to book the pet. This is the application I want to record. So what are the steps I will perform is sign in. Username, password I am entering. So same step I will using from the our views and we can record. See, its login is successful. And after that, I want to book from the one pet. These are the product IDs. And I am giving from the add to cart and quantity it is asking and click on proceed to checkout and enter from the payment details like Visa card, card type and your billing address, all things you need to enter. And after that, you need to just continue. And please confirm from the your details, like what are the details you are entered, it is asking from the confirm. See, thank you, your order has been submitted. So just I want to book the one pet, that is the my business flow, and after that sign out. So same business flow we can record using from the our virtual user generator. So now I'm closing this. Okay. Now once you can install the LoadRunner software, we can see this is the virtual user generator. This is the controller. This is the analyzer. So now I will today explain from the virtual user generator. Using this, how do we can record? Just I will show from the today class. So just you need to open this. So this is the virtual user generator version also it is showing from the, this is 2020. Okay. We don't have much time today. Okay, tomorrow we can record. Otherwise, just I will show already almost 3 minutes. Okay, yeah. Once open the virtual user generator, it will be look like this, and this is the add new script. Okay, and select from the here protocol web HTTP HTML. So all web-based application we need to select this only. After that, you need to give from the script name. I'm recording from the pet store application. I'm giving from the pet store, and I will give from the today date 7/8/2024 and click on create button. Just I'm creating from the script name. Okay. So now you are seeing, right? This is the our virtual user generator. This is the record button. Just click from the record button. Here we need to select from the browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Means you are no need to open manually any one of the browser. Automatically our tool itself it is open. And as same to the here URL is a very important. Like which application you are testing, you need to give from that URL. For example, you are doing from the Facebook application, you can give from the Facebook. You are doing from the Amazon, you can give from the Amazon. Now I am doing from the Pet Store application. That is why I given from the Pet Store application URL. And after that, you need to start recording means click on the start record button. So means which URL you are given here, which browser you are given, that browser automatically it will open our virtual user generator, our component automatically it will be browser will open, and what is the URL you given, that also it is automatically open. See, just I click from the start recording. Less than 1 minute. So now you can observe browser is automatically open. This is the Play Store application URL. What is the URL I given from there? Automatically that URL it is picked from here. Tomorrow class we'll see the we can record one application and same application. We'll see from the how to it will record and what are the script statements it will generate. We can see. Okay.